There are different ways to make money on Telegram, and in this video I'm going to show you two simple ways you can earn money doing simple things. One way is to sell ebooks, electronic books. You don't even have to create this yourself. There is an AI that can put resources together and create this ebook for you, and you can sell on Telegram and make money. In this video I'm going to show you this AI and also all the resources you need to create your own ebook. Another way is to sell courses or online programs on Telegram and you get paid. If you've learned something recently that you have control over, you can put this together as a course and make money on Telegram. If you studied anything in college or in school that you're still not using, but you still remember something that can be useful to others, you can put this together and create a course and you can make money out of this on Telegram. Watch this video to the end as I'm going to walk you through all the steps and all the resources you need to make this a success. Don't skip any part of this video. Let's go. Let's look at how we can create our ebook using an AI and sell on Telegram. Create an ebook on how to make money online. So this is going to be our topic. ChatGPT is a tool from OpenAI. So to access ChatGPT, you need to go to openai.com and you go to ChatGPT. So it will open this wonderful interface for you. So these are what ChatGPT is for. It is for conversation. So what you do is you can ask ChatGPT any question and it will try to answer you. It is very powerful. So having our topic, how to make money online, we can come here to this test field and type in our question, how to make money online, and you hit on enter. So as you can see, ChatGPT is trying to outline the content for you. It's trying to generate the content for you. It is very powerful, but you use this to build on. It will try and suggest some top ways you can make money online. Since we are creating an ebook, all the points that it lists for us, we have to build on it. So step one is starting an e-commerce business. So to expand on the first point, we say how to sell products or services on e-commerce websites. Then we click on. So it will generate all the other content on all these points for you. This is it. It has created the second point for you. So it will create all this content for you. And what you need to do is to copy all of these. Okay, copy them one after the other and paste them in a Word document. You arrange them in the form that the book will take. Okay, so use this powerful tool to generate all this content. So expand on all the other points and you get your content for the book. This is very powerful without you writing a single word. What this does is try to give you some unique content for your book by searching or surfing the internet and putting all these quality content together. You can update these. You can, if you don't want to use the exact content, it is good that you change some few of them, expand some few of them with your own knowledge so that it becomes very unique for your readers. But if you don't want to change anything, you can just expand on the points and you copy all these into a Word document. Now that we have our book content in a Word document, we also need a service that will compile this into an ebook for us. So there are different forms. We have the printable ebooks, which could be in PDF. So in Word document, you can just save as PDF, but we want to really convert this to ebook. So we need another service that will do that for us. And there's this free service called convertio.co. When you visit convertio.co, what it does is that it can convert a Word document into ebook for you. Once you visit Convertio, this is how it looks like, and you can say that I want to convert my Word document into ebook. So you come to convert and you say ebook converter. Choose your file and then you browse and pick your Word document. The Word document we created with ChatGPT, and then you open. There are different forms, but now we want to convert to ebook, so we click on convert. So it says that this is ready. But what are we converting to? We are converting to ebook, EPUB. And we click on convert. Now it says it is ready. It has finished. All you need to do is download. Now that we have our ebook, all we need to do now is to create a Telegram bot, a membership bot that will help us monetize our ebook. This will also work for any program that you want to sell in Telegram. When I say program, I mean your online courses. So let's watch the next stage of how you create the Telegram bot and the membership page. So you sell this course in any Telegram group or channel where you have this bot in there. So to create your first bot, you open Telegram and search Bot Father. This is the menu of Bot Father. We have the new bots, my games, token, set name, description. There are lots of things you can do here, but we want to create a bot. So we just select new bots. You need to provide a name for your bot. What we want to do here is to create a paid subscription bot. So we'll name it Penny School. Now we have to choose a username for our bot. Remember, it needs to end with bot. That is B-O-T. So you type in the username for your bot. Our bot has been created, but the truth is that this bot cannot do anything by itself now. We can add more settings to this bot. If you look at the menu, you can add a description to this bot and set some other settings that the bot will use. Let's go ahead and set the description for the bot. So when you click on the menu, you click on set description. So I already have some bots here, so I need to select the one I want to set the description for. It is Penny School Bots. So this is a paid subscription bot, as simple as that. Then is it that you hit the enter or you send? All right, say success, description updated. So when you look at the menu, there are lots of things that you can set for your bot. You can even set the picture, the profile picture of your bot and a whole lot. So you can play around with these menu items. For the sake of this video, we just want to leave it here and continue. So our bot has been created. This is what we need, the token. Because the bot cannot do anything by itself, we need to create some activities for it to do. As we said earlier, we are creating a paid subscription bot. So what it does is, when we have a Telegram group or channel and we add this bot in, we can accept payment from people who join the group. So people have to subscribe to the content of that group or that channel, and they will have to pay some amount of money. Using this is a great way to make money from Telegram, and you can accept payment from your Telegram group members. They can pay monthly, weekly, daily, or yearly, depending on how you want them to pay, and it's a good way to make money. So the next step to do is to use a service called Smartland Bots, and we're using that to create the next activity for our bot to follow. So same in Telegram, you search Smart Bots Land. So this is it. All right, so with this bot, it's asking you to create a new bot, or you can also read the guidelines. But let me be your guide for today. So let's go ahead and create a new bot. You say, please send your bot token. Remember the token we had from Bot Father when we created our first bot. That is the token it is requesting. So we paste that token here. You say, please send your first name. So we need to send our first name here. Send your last name. You enter your last name. And it's asking for an email. So you paste your email here. And it's asking for a password. And this is the length of the password. It's supposed to be between 6 and 12 characters. So type in your password. And it's asking for our country. So the country that you're living in, I am in Ghana, so I'll just type Ghana. And it's asking for the kind of bot we want to create. We want to create a subscription bot, but you can create either a simple bot, a restaurant bot, a store, or some other bot. So there are different ways you can make money on Telegram using bots. You can create a store for someone who sells things and you can make money from it. Even for restaurants, you can create Telegram bot and sell and make money. But we want to create subscription bots because we want to accept payment for people to join our Telegram group. So we click on subscription bot. All right, so that is it. It says, dear user, if you have a paid channel or group and you need to get membership fees from users automatically, use the subscription bot team. So that is what we want to do. We want to accept money from people who want to join our Telegram group or channel. This is what we entered and we need to confirm. So you go through all this information. If everything is correct, you just click on yes. All right, so it is in progress and it's creating for us. So it says, congrats, your bot successfully launched and your team loaded. What team? The subscription team has been loaded. So our bot is complete and these are some instructions for us to follow. So this is the username of your bot. So if you want to view the bot, you click on view bots. Then you click on start. So we've not done any settings on it yet. So you can click on setting. Please add your bot to your Telegram channel or group and promote it to admin. Then press check. Search for our Telegram group or channel. I already have a Telegram group. If you don't have any Telegram group, it is very simple. You just come to Telegram, this side, and then you click on new group or new channel. I already have a group, so I'll just search for that group. So now I want to add our bot to this Telegram group. You just click on the name of the group and you click on this button here, this icon. And then you can search for your bot here. So you click on add and you make it an admin. So you select what it can do. And then after that, you click on save. We've added our bot to this Telegram group. So we come back to our bot and click on check this out. So that is it. It's showing the group that we've added this bot to. So you can add this to as many groups as possible and it will list all the groups here. So it says, please select your desired channel or group name. So this is it. Dear user, your bot is not admin in group. Please promote the bot to admin and select check out bot. So you have to go back to your group and promote it as an admin. You want to promote this bot to the status of admin. So you click on these dots here and you click on manage channel and administrators. And then you check this, add admin, and you save. So now we've promoted this to admin. So you can visit the bot page once again and click on check this out. Our bot is added. Now we need to set up our payment option. Where are we receiving our money into? So you continue by clicking this button. You need to visit this website. So that is where you complete your payment option. So you follow the instructions on this page and set up your payment options. So under payment gateway, you click on the drop down. We have I will adjust later or coin payment gateway. That is cryptocurrency. You need a merchant ID. If you don't already have, it is very simple. You can either click here to view a video on how you can create your own ID or coinpayment.net. It is very simple and you sign up. You create your own ID from there and you continue. So you can choose any of them either to add later or visit Coin Payment and create your own account and you enter your merchant ID and you click on next level. So here you need to set the prices that your members will pay. So here you can say new member and you set the price. You can say $2. For how many days? Is it per week? Is it per month? You set those. So you add more till you create all the amount that your members will have to pay. After that, you click save and back to bots. So now we've created our bots and we've created our payment options. So now we are back to our bots and we can view our subscription plans. We only created one plan. So when you click on subscription plans, it is going to list all the plans for you. So this is it, new member. Now let's check how you can accept payment from this bot into your members. So you can click on new member. So it says please enter your name or username. So assuming I want to join this group and my name is Dominic, I type the name and hit either enter or send. So it says payment amount is $2. Please pay the bills to complete the process through the button below. The person will be asked to click on the pay now. So when the person clicks on pay now, it will go ahead and open the merchant account for the person to make the payment. This is how you accept payment in your Telegram group or channel. Create your Telegram group or channel, provide quality services, and add this bot to it and start accepting money from your Telegram group members. Subscribe to our channel. Click on the notification bell so you don't miss any of such wonderful videos. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching.